Okay, so I screwed up a couple times. This is the same video. That last one I ended at the wrong spot. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take these two results and solve them for sine and cosine and then plug them into here to come up with an entirely new identity. So we're going to take that this cosine of 2u equals 2 cosine squared u minus 1, and I'm going to solve for cosine squared. So I'll add 1 to both sides. And then I'll divide both sides by 2, and I'll get the new a new result for cosine squared. That's this. And then similarly, we could do the same kind of work with this one. So I'm not going to show the solving of that. I'll leave that for the student to solve as an exercise for the student, if you so desire. We're going to get sine squared u is equal to, let's see, cosine of 2u minus 1 divided by negative 2, which I think we prefer to write that as 1 minus cosine of 2u all over 2, either way. And so then we're going to plug these two things in here. So we've got sine squared of x. What I just rewrote it as was 1 minus cosine of 2u, oops, it's got to be an x now, of 2x divided by 2, and then all of that divided by what we've got cosine squared equal to. That is, I'll write it in this way, 1 plus cosine of 2u all divided by 2. Now notice there's a 1/2 in the numerator and a 1/2 in the denominator. So 1/2 divided by 1/2 is 1, and this becomes the other useful identity for cosine squared. There you have it. Finally, man, that was tough on me.